Calcarea fluorica, fluoride of spar, fluoride of lime. A powerful tissue remedy for hard, stony glands, varicose and enlarged veins, malnutrition of bones, hard knocks in female breast, goitre, congenital hereditary syphilis, induration threatening suppuration. Many cases of cataract and undoubtedly been influenced favorably by it. Congenital syphilis manifested itself in ulceration of mouth and throat, caries and necrosis with boring pains and heat in parts. Arteriosclerosis, threatening apoplexy, tuberculosis, used after operations, the tendency to adhesions is reduced. Mind, Great Depression, groundless fears of financial ruin, head, creaking noise in head, blood tumors of newborn infants, hard excrescences on the scalp, ulcers on the scalp with callous, hard edges, eyes, flickering and sparks before the eyes, spots on the cornea, conjunctivitis, cataract, strumeous, pilonular, keratitis, subcutaneous, palpebral cyst. Ears, calcareous deposits on tympanum, psoriasis of osticula, and protruse portion of temporal bone with deafness, ringing and roaring, chronic suppuration of the middle ear. Nose, cold in the head, stuffy, cold, dry, coryza, ozena, copious, offensive, thick, greenish, lumpy, yellow nasal cathar, atropic rhinitis, especially if crusts are prominent. Face, hard swelling in the cheek, with pain or toothache, hard swelling on jawbone. Mouth, gum boil, with hard swelling on the jaw, cracked appearance of the tongue, with or without pain. Induration of the tongue, hardening after inflammation, unnatural looseness of the teeth, with or without pain. Teeth become loose in their sockets. Toothache, with pain as if any food touches the tooth, if any food touches the food. Throat, follicular sore throat. Plugs of mucus are continually forming in the crisps of the tonsils. Pain and burning in throat, better by warm drinks, worse, cold drinks. Hypertrophy of lixious tonsils, relaxed uvula, tickling referred to larynx. Stomach, vomiting of infants, vomiting of undigested food, hiccup, flatulency, weakness, and daintiness of appetite, nausea, and distress after eating in young children who are overtaxed by studies, acute indigestion from the fatigue and brain fag, much flatulence, stool and anus, diarrhea in gouty subjects, itching of anus, fissure of the anus, an intensely sore crack near the lower end of the bowel, bleeding hemorrhoids, itching of anus as from pinworms, internal or blind piles, frequently with pain in back, generally far down on the sacrum, and constipation, much wind in lower bowels, worse, pregnancy. Male, hydrocele, indurations of the testicles. Respiratory organs, hoarseness, croup, cough, with expectoration of tiny lumps of yellow mucus, with tickling sensation and irritation on lying down, spasmodic cough. Calcarea fluoride removes the fibroid deposits about the endocardium and restores normal endocardial structure. Ellie G. Jones, MD. Circulatory organs, chief remedy for vascular tumors with dilated blood vessels, and for varicose and enlarged veins, aneurysms, valvular disease. When the tuberculosis toxins attack the heart and blood vessels, neck and back, chronic lumbago, aggravated on beginning to move, ameliorated on continued motion, osseous tumors, rachitic enlargements of femur in infants, pain, lower part of back with burning, extremities, ganglia or encysted tumors on the back of the wrists, goidy enlargement of the joints of the fingers, ectosis on fingers, chronic synovitis of knee joint. Sleep, vivid dreams with sense of impending danger. Unrefreshing sleep. Skin, marked whiteness of skin, scar tissue, adhesions after operations, chaps and cracks, fissures of or cracks in the palms of the hands or hard skin, fissure of the anus, suppuration with callous, hard edges, whitlow, indolent fistular ulcer, secretion, thick yellow pus, hard elevated edges, ulcers, surrounding skin purple and swollen, knots, kernels, hardened glands in the female breast, swelling or indurated enlargements having their seat in the fasciae and capsular ligaments of joints or in the tendons, indurations of stony hardness. Modalities: worse during rest, changes of weather, better heat, warm applications. Relationships: compare con, lapis, ferret, mur, Hecla, rustux, cocodine of soda for tumors. Calcareous sulfstibica acts as a hemostatic absorbive in ureamyoma. Magnifera indica, varicose veins. Dose: 3rd to 12th trituration. A chronic remedy, needs some time before manifesting in effects. Should not be repeated too frequently.